夢をかき集め探し物を探しに行くのさ One Piece
Ahoy there, fellow navigators of the Code Seas. Welcome to another exciting episode of our coding adventure. Today, we're setting sail to solve the One Piece Bounty Poster Challenge. So, prepare your code compass and let's dive in. First, define the character's information using variables. Let's keep character's name as our captain, Luffy. Then bounty as 15 million. And you should know that the variable bounty amount is an integer because it's assigned an integer value. If you want it to be string, then you just have to put quotes as other strings. Then let's assume the last location as Sabaody Archipelago. Then let's write note as the Pirate King. Now let's use print statements to print our bounty poster. We're using f-strings to inject the values into our poster. Here, we display the character's name, but we use these curly braces ow to insert the value stored in the character underscore name variable. In our case, it's Monkey D. Luffy. Similarly, we display the bounty amount using the bounty underscore amount variable. The bounty underscore amounts part gets replaced with the actual bounty value, 150 million berries. We show the character's last known location using the last known location variable. Here, it's Sabaody Archipelago. Lastly, we include any extra notes or a description on the poster using the wanted poster note variable. In this case, it says, the future Pirate King. Then when you run the program, and there you have it. We've just created a One Piece characters bounty poster using Python. Just like being meticulous with our navigation charts, attention to detail is crucial in coding. Now, I challenge you to modify this code for your favorite One Piece character. Share your creations in the comments below. And remember, keep setting sail to new coding challenges. Until next time, my fellow coders and navigators, see you on the next Code Island.